Ever wonder if that Apple gift card burning a hole in your pocket can unlock a world of binge-worthy entertainment on Netflix? Let's find out. Unfortunately, Netflix doesn't directly accept Apple gift cards as a payment method, but don't worry. There's still a way to use that gift card to pay for your subscription. First, redeem your Apple gift card. In the App Store, open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either manually enter the code or use your camera to scan it. Next, the key is to use your redeemed Apple Store credit to pay for a service or app that can indirectly pay for Netflix. One great option is by buying a Netflix gift card on a service that accepts Apple payment. For example, if you were to buy a Netflix gift card from a service that accepts Apple Pay, you will be able to redeem the gift card once it has been delivered to you in your Netflix account. To add a gift card to your Netflix account, log into your account. From there, go to Account Settings and Payment Information. Here you can enter the code from the Netflix gift card you have purchased. And that's it. While not a direct route, this allows you to enjoy your favorite Netflix shows using your Apple gift card.